A very good morning, students. Today we'll be starting with our chapter number 9, our body. Today we'll be studying about excretory system. We have started with the organ system. We have done with the skeletal, muscular, nervous, digestive and circulatory system we have done in the previous class. In today's class we'll be starting with excretory system. Waste materials like urine and sweat produced in our body are removed through excretory system. So what is the function of the excretory system? All the waste material. What are waste materials of your body? The waste materials of your body, it is urine and sweat. What is urine? Urine is the toilet. You used to go to toilet after drinking the water. In a day you used to go 12 to 15 times. So that is the urine. Next is the sweating. Whenever you play, your whole body it sweats. So that is the sweating. So both the urine and sweat, it is the waste material of your body. This waste material, it is removed from your body through the excretory system. So what are the organs of the excretory system? Kidney, lungs and skin. Kidney, lungs and skin. Now where is the kidney? There are two kidneys. This I have drawn the diagram of the excretory system. This is kidney. Through this kidney our urine it is filtered and the urine it comes out from here. So this is the diagram of the excretory system. The lungs, they are also an excretory system organ. They used to exhale out the carbon dioxide, and from the skin, in our skin small pores are there. From this pore the sweat it comes. So skin, it is also an example of the excretory organ. The next we will be studying, that is the reproductive system. The next type of system that we will be studying today, this is the last system that is given. It is the reproductive system. Reproductive system. So what is reproductive system? The organs of reproductive system help to produce young one. Because of this reproductive system, it helps to produce young ones. The last we'll be discussing, that is the exercise. Exercise, you are familiar of this term, exercise. Regular exercise helps to keep our body healthy. Yoga, swimming, jogging, walking, running, cycling, these are different forms of exercise. What are the different forms of exercise? Like yoga, swimming, jogging, walking, running, these are the different forms of the exercise. We must do exercise, we must get up early in the morning and we must at least half an hour. Everyone should do exercise to keep your body fit and healthy. Now let us do a small activity so that this activity will help you to understand the chapter properly. Let us do an interesting activity related to this chapter only. Here I will be writing the names of some of the organ. First of all, this is hand. This is hand. This is nose. ear, ear. After ear is the eyes. This is eye. After eye is the tongue. This is tongue. So I am writing here. This is hand. This organ is the nose, ear, eye and tongue. Now below this I will be drawing the certain food items, or I will be drawing certain things. Here I am drawing a cake. This is the cake or pastries. The next, these are the blocks of an ice. This is ice. Headphones. These are headphones. Here I am drawing a flower. This is a flower. The next is a book. This is a book. So what we have to do, you have to match the sense organ with their function. This all are the sense organ and you have to match it with their functions. So first of all, let us start. Here what I have drawn, this is cake. So we used to feel the taste of the cake with the help of tongue. With the help of the tongue, we used to feel the taste of the cake. This is cake. The cake taste you feel with the help of your tongue. This is ice. So ice, it is very cold. It is very cold. You can feel its coldness by touching it with your hand. Next is nose. From the nose, you can smell the fragrance of this flower. The flower, it is having a smell, fragrance. So you can feel it with the help of the nose. Ear. With the help of the ear, you can listen the music with this headphones. And the last, it is the book. You can read the book with the eye. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.